a different technique. Real estate is not one thing. You can do real estate in so many different ways investing. So Steve is going to cover one way, which is off-market properties. All right? At this point in time, I'm going to Steve. Are you ready?
Yep.
Thank you.
All right. Everyone, how's it going?
Good.
Good. Right. I don't talk a lot on microphones, so I'm going to go ahead and put this right here, and hopefully the audio picks up pretty good.
Yeah, just stay close to it.
I'm a little static there. Can everybody hear me okay, talking at this volume? Okay, awesome. Well, the topic tonight, as Sham mentioned, we're going to talk about off-market acquisitions. And I love generating niche, what I call niche leads. And before I dive into the presentation tonight, Sham, I just want to thank you for bringing me out so much. This is an honor. I've known Sham for many years, and so it's a joy to be able to come out tonight and chat with you guys and just share a little bit. I've been doing this full time since 2011, so share a little bit of what's worked well, what hasn't. And my goal tonight is to really share with you guys the power of going deep into a niche. That has served me well the last 13 years. So let's dive in, and then what we'll do at the end is we'll do a Q&A. So if you have any questions, please jot them down. I would love to answer them. And we'll save a good 10, 15, 20 minutes at the end for Q&A. Does that sound good? All right. So here's a few things that we're going to be covering. How to build a profitable deal acquisition business in today's market without all the overhead. The three most important things to have a thriving acquisitions company. How to get a quick win and a cash injection into your business. And then what I found to be as a missing ingredient, when I look back over my journey in the real estate world, a missing ingredient for success. What to do if your business is just not consistent yet. And I want to share with you a practical example when I talk about a niche lead source. There has been a lead source that really has been my top lead source for real estate investing for the last 13 years, and it's been very consistent. And so I just want to share with you a practical example of how I work those type of leads to really get you thinking, not just in that particular niche, but other types of niches, how you can potentially build a system, so to speak, around those type of niche leads. And I also want to share with you just a few practical things that I've found to compress time frames and speed up that rate of success and help you guys to get some quick wins. So for those who stay to the end, now this is a presentation I've done a handful of times. I was just on a national webinar in January, so hopefully there won't be anyone walking out here, but this is more of a webinar statement. So for those who stay to the end, I do have something special for you. I want to share with you a free resource that is valuable, and then we'll have a live Q&A. So this presentation is really for a handful of folks. It's going to be for brand new investors. So if you are brand new, but you are serious about getting into action mode and getting results, this is particularly for you. Also, intermediate investors, wholesalers, landlords, rehabbers, maybe you've done a handful of deals but just don't have the systems or the consistency. Also for real estate agents who see an opportunity on the investing side of the business. So I want to make sure this sounds familiar. You know real estate is a viable option for creating wealth. You've probably heard that there are more millionaires in real estate created than any other industry, and you know it's possible. You've probably listened to the podcast, maybe been coming to some meetings, and you're probably committed on some level to pursuing financial freedom, or you wouldn't be at a meeting like this for you and your family. But maybe you're a little tired of wasting time, wasting money, kind of dinking and dunking around between different strategies. And I know that because I've definitely been there. In my early years, there's a lot of things that I tried, throwing spaghetti at the wall and trying to figure out what sticks and what doesn't. So if you feel like you're running in 12 different directions at the same time, or just tired of not getting results in your business, maybe you've been paying attention to different things
Greater Dayton REIA is a great source of information for real estate investors. You can learn what you need to do to succeed. You can learn the different opportunities that there are in the marketplace, and you can meet a lot of people that know about this from their own experience.
It's a fantastic organization because you can network with more seasoned investors. You meet all kinds of different vendors each time, insurance companies, title companies. There's always a different group of people here. And even though I've been involved in real estate since '99, every time I come to a meeting I learn something different. You could also find contractors here. It's just a really great way to network.
The benefits that I've gotten from GD REIA over the years is being able to tap into a pool of knowledge from experienced investors, experienced speakers that allow me to overcome any obstacles I might have from what I'm not familiar with.
In GD REIA, we learned that this is a team sport, and being a landlord requires quite a few people to help. In GD REIA, we found our accountant, attorney, property manager, realtor who furnishes the leads for the properties, and I believe the appraisers.
GD REIA in 2010 to invest. The whole team was there. I had a property manager, realtors who had deals, and now I have 4 houses that are all turnkey solutions. I've invested in private LLCs. I didn't bought a note. So by joining an organization like GD REIA, you too can learn how to be a good investor.
And we are an approved vendor with GD REIA. We've been with you guys about 4 or 5 years now, and we love networking with the members, and we're here to help. So anything that they need help with, you can find us here every meeting and ask us whatever questions you need to.
You guys have a location?